show you how to achieve this look, so stay tuned. First, you're going to start by using a dark lip liner according to your choice and simply outline those lips exactly the way I'm doing them or the way you prefer. So I'm using the lip liner from Morphe. It's called TRENDSETTER. I love it. Something you need to own. I really love it. It's very soft, pigmented, and applies easily. Then you're going to use a brush to blend out all the harsh lines. You don't want to see a dark line separated from your nude lipstick, right? So you're going to just blend. Make sure everything looks seamless. We're then going to go in with our nude lipstick. I'm using this matte lipstick from MAC. I'm going to include the name underneath. You're just going to apply and repeat till you have the consistency or the kind of look that you like to have. So as you can see, I'm only applying it on my lower lip, and then I smack my lips to give it the effect that I am looking for. So I'm going in with a nude lip gloss. This is from Morphe. I also like this a lot. It's also very pigmented, as you can see. It's just not glossy, but it does have some pigment to it, so you can actually end here, but nah, I want my lips to be dripping gloss. So I'm going to add a clear gloss on it. Here I'm using a clear gloss from Alverde. It's not my favorite, I must say. I really love the one from NYX, but I didn't have it anymore, so yeah, this is about it. What do you think? Something easy to try, right? Yeah, you can actually go ahead to clean the sides of your mouth. Well, there was really nothing there, but still, for emphasis, let's just clean it off. And I'm going to be too extra. I'm still going to add another soft hand nude lip gloss on it, and this is from Essence. I'm going to write down all their products I use on their description. So that's about it. Voila, that's the final look. Yeah, there you go. Easy nude look for an everyday, special occasions, wedding, and what have you. Thank you, and see you next time. Have a great evening. Bye bye.